Hello students, we are starting with Maths 2, Syjc, of course Commerce. We are starting with chapter number 5. We are starting Maths 2 with chapter number 5, that is index numbers. A very simple, a very easy chapter to start. In fact, majority of the chapters in Maths 2 are very simple, very easy. This is the simplest. Let us find out, let us study about index numbers. To make you understand about index numbers, I have a short example to put in front of you. Yes, this year is 2020. Let's compare your 2020 with a generation before. Let me take you to 2005. 15 साल पहले. I'm explaining, remember, a concept on index numbers, but for that I am giving you my example. Understand this example. 2020 and 2005. These are 2 years in front of you. ये तुम्हारा साल है. I will call this as current year. I am comparing it with 2005. Let me call this as base year. Base year. Simple. We are just comparing then and now. Abhi aur tabhi. In general, discussing about prices of certain commodities. सैंडविच, एक सादा सैंडविच कितने रुपए का आता है? सपोज 30 रुपीज. सपोज 30 रुपीज. उस टाइम पे पता कितने में आता था? 15 रुपए में खा लेते थे. यस. ऑटो फेयर अभी मिनिमम कितना रुपीज है? 18 रुपीज है. उस टाइम पे समवॉट 12 रुपए में काम हो जाता था. If we are considering auto fare, let us take minimum train fare, local train fare. लोकल ट्रेन फेयर. यहाँ से अगर समझो मेरे यहाँ पे आना है, मलाड आना है, मलाड से कांदिवली जाना है, सो व्हाट इज द मिनिमम अमाउंट? 5 रुपीज टिकट. पहले भी उतना ही था, कोई ज्यादा फर्क नहीं है. सो सर इज डिस्कसिंग about the commodities, about the services what a student will use in his daily routine when he or she goes to college. Small pocket expenses. वो fees का तो जाने दो, that is done by parents. But here these are amounts, these are fares what you have to pay. Yes boys, roses are to be given to the girls. पता है एक रोज 20 रुपए का आता है. ₹5 में आ जाता था, अभी भाव बहुत बढ़ गया। वी आर कंपेयरिंग कि क्या क्या यूज होएगा। सो we have considered these 4 items about a college going student where he can compare it with the base year 2005. So now after this I add them 0 plus 8 8 plus 5 13, 1 plus 3 4 4 plus 1 5 5 plus 2 7 73. The total is 73. 5 plus 2 7 7 plus 5 12 12 plus 5 17, 1 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 1 3 37. उल्टा हो गया. The prices of the current year are called P1. P मतलब price, 1 मतलब current year. P0, P मतलब price, 0 मतलब base year. We will be denoting these prices as P0 and P1. Remember, ये base year है और ये current year है. And now we are finding index number. Since we are considering prices, we are calculating price index number. This is capital P. बाजू में 01 लिखा हुआ है. This is capital P. बाजू में 01 लिखा हुआ है. Meaning base year is compared with the current year. The formula is summation. इसको बोलते हैं summation. Summation छोटा p1 upon summation छोटा p0 into 100. This is the formula of price index number. Very simple formula. Summation of P1 is का total 73 upon 37 into 100. Very simple. And after this you have to do calculations, cancellations. Unfortunately in my example no cancellation is happening. No problem. We will divide it after multiplying the numerator. In the rough you can perform the division like this. 7300 is divided by 37. 37 का double is 74. This is 73. 37 1 37. 7 plus 6 13. 4 4 plus 3 7. 36 is the remainder. Then I bring down 0. I get 360. 37 9s are 9 7s are 63. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 6 33. 333. I have multiplied 37 by 9. 9 7s are 63. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 6 33. When I subtract, I get 10 minus 3 7. 5 minus 3 2 27. I bring down this 0. I get 270. 37 is near to 40. 47s are 280. 7s are 280. Very near. I am trying 37 7s are. 7 7s are 49. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 25. So this is how I thought of 7. I thought of 37 near to 40. 47s are 280. 280 इसके करीब है. So 7s are I thought. And yes, it is giving me a very near answer. 7s are 259. 7 7s are 49. 4 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 25. On subtraction, I get 1 plus 9 10. 6 plus 1 7 11. Well, we can continue with division. After putting a decimal, I can take a digit 0. 37 3s are. Check this, very simple. 3 7s are 21. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 11. Oh, which is just missed. So we'll use 2s are 74. When we subtract, we get 4 plus 6 10. 8 plus 3 is 11. 36 is the remainder. Now, this was 2s. After this, we have a decimal, so let me use 0. This is 360. Of course, I will use 9s. 37 9s is 333. I get 27. Decimal is there, I will get 0. And then I will use 7s. I will get 37 7s are 259. That's it, students. After decimal, you have to calculate up to 3 digits. 197.297, which is equal to 197.30. So this is the price index number of the year 2020, which is compared with 2005. This price index number can also be written in terms of percentage if you want, because it is multiplied by 100, so you can write percent. Or if you want, you can keep your answer just as 197.30. So students, I gave you example of price index number. Now let me tell you that there are many examples in daily use also. The best example is the Syjc, the Nifty. These are price index number what you see in the stock market. Yes, students, those index numbers, those are not price index numbers, those are shares index number, share price index number. These are simple commodities price index number. Those index numbers and this index numbers is one and the same only, where we compare the current prices with the previous prices. यहाँ पे 197 हो गया, मतलब जो पहले 100 था 100 का भी हो गया 197, almost double. This is how index number works. It's just a comparison of the current year with the base year. For the comparison, you can take prices, you can take quantity, you can take whatever you want. Here we have started with comparing the prices of 2 years. Please pause the video and copy the example what I have given. Let us solve the first sum from exercise 5.1. The question is asking us to find the price index number. They have mentioned use 1995 as the base year. After the example given by me, we try to solve the first sum from textbook, page number 77. Check the solution. This is how we make 3 columns: commodity, P0, P1, small p, small p. P0 is nothing but price of base year. P1 is nothing but price of current year. 1995 is the base year. Of course, the old year is mostly considered as the base year. Year 1995 is the base year. If you want, you can write year also. You can mention 1995 year and you can mention 2000 year. This is 2000. The commodities are P, Q, R, S, T, and this is total. 15, 20, 24, 22. 15, 20, 24, 22, 28. And the prices in the year 2000 are 27, 38, 32, 40, 45. I have to do the total. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 8 is 19. 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 109. 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17 plus 5, 22. 2. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 182. And this is capital B, P01. Remember, capital P01 is nothing but price index number. Even you can write just 3 lines about the margin so you remember it for the entire chapter. The formula is summation P1 upon summation P0 into 100 is equals to 182 upon 109 into 100. You have to do cancellations if it is possible. Here 109 is not divisible and they do not have any common factor. So ultimately we have to multiply the numerator and then do the working of 182 00 divided by 109. It will go this way. 101 9 is 101. 109 9 plus 3 12 1 7. 73 is the remainder. I bring down 0. 7s will not work because 109 into 7. 100 into 7 is 700. 9 into 7 is 63. It will not work. So I am taking 6 up. 6 9s are 54. 6 54. I get the remainder 76. I'll bring down this 0. This side, of course, I can use 7s are. 7 1s are 7. 7 9s are 63. Oh, not possible. 6 are again. 654. 106 is the remainder. We will continue division by using a decimal point. 0. Let's go with 9. 9 into 100 is 900. 981. 1 plus 9 is 10. 9 plus 7 is 16. 79 is the remainder. You bring down one more 0. This time we can go with 7. 109 into 7. 763. So the remainder you get is 3 plus 7 10. 7. 27 is the remainder. 27, yes. And we bring down one more 0. This is 270. So definitely you will find answer 2s are. You cannot take 3s are. So your division is equals to 166.972. 166.97. Since this 2 is less than 5, since this 2 is less than 5, we will not change this number. We know that. So remember, in division, we will always divide up to 3 decimals and we correct up to 2 decimals. We will divide up to 3 decimals and then correct to 2 decimals. That is what we are going to follow the entire year. Answer is 166.97. You can write 166.97 percentage also because you have mentioned into 100. Normally, people do not write percentage. They keep this is the answer. So this is the solution of the first sum of exercise 5.1. Please note carefully. Yeah, students, 5.1 we already started. Question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are to be taken for homework. After learning this question number 12, you have to take question number 13 also for homework. Believe me, those are very simple. If I try also solving myself on the board, you will get bored. You will want to solve by your own only, and one can easily solve. This is the format of the solution. Here if you want, you can write base year, you can write current year. There is no need. You can check how I am solving it. We know P01 का formula summation P1 upon summation P0 into 100. P, capital P is price index number. So all what you have to do is add first. 8 plus 12, 20, 20 plus 16, 36. 36 plus 2, 38, 38 plus 20, 58. 58 plus 8, 66 plus 10, 76. 12 plus 18, 30. Remember 30. Here 28 plus 2, 30, 30 plus 20, 50. 50, 50, 50 and we remember 30. This is 80 plus x. Summation P1 is 80 plus x. Summation P0 is 76 into 100. Here in this sum, the price index number is given 125 and they are asking us to find the value of x. So here in this place I will write 125 and when I am doing so, I should write it that this is given. Okay. Now, this is very special. 125 उसकी जगह पे into 76 yes upon 100 is equals to 80 plus x. This is what I have done for cancellation. 25 5s are 25, 125, 25 4s are 100. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 36 9s are 19 4s are 76. 19 5s are 95. 95 is equals to 80 plus x. So here we get x is equals to 95 minus 80, x is equals to 15. This is how you can find. Check the solution, copy it nicely so that you can solve all the remaining sums on your own. With this we complete one part, the first part of exercise 5.1, price index number. Please note it.